Alright, you are welcome once again to my channel. Today I would like us to discuss a very crucial topic, and that topic is what? Latitude and longitude. Okay, latitude and what? Longitude is understood. Okay. When we are talking about latitude, what do we mean? We mean the imaginary line that is drawn from the west to what? To the east. There is a line that passes from the west to the east. But please, this line is an imaginary line. You cannot see this line. It was imagined. Is that understood? And there is also another line that is drawn, that is a parallel line drawn from the North Pole to the South Pole. It is called the longitude. So latitude is the imaginary line drawn from the West Pole to the East Pole. Longitudinal line or longitude is the imaginary line drawn from the North Pole to the what? To the South Pole. Is that understood? So let's assume this is our Earth. Is understood? Or let me just draw it this way. Now, don't mind about this drawing. Is understood? Let's just go ahead. There is a line. Now this is the middle, right, of the earth. This is the middle of the earth. Okay, that is the middle of the earth. This is the North Pole, and this is what? The South Pole. This is the west, and this is the what? The east. Remember your four cardinal points. The line drawn from the north to the south is called the line of what? Longitude. I'm understood? From the north to the west to the south, sorry, is the what? The line of longitude. It is also called the prime meridian. All right. There is also another line that is drawn from the west, to the what? To the east. It is called what? The line of latitude. Again, it is drawn. This is drawn from the, whether it is at the upside or the lower pole, it is still what? Latitude. Okay. This is the middle. At the middle, you have what we call an equator. Now, this is what we call what? Equator. That is the middle line. Is that understood? This one is called the axis of the earth. Is that understood? Okay. So without wasting time, having known this, I would like you to understand that it is possible for us to locate a place on the earth. Wherever you are in any part of the world, it is very possible for you to be located. Okay? So as long as you are a science student, maybe you want to be a pilot, want to be even an armed force, certainly you need the knowledge of this. All right, so that anywhere you find yourself, you can equally be located. Is understood? Now, in locating somebody on the earth's surface, the only thing you have to know is the latitude and the longitude of that place. Now, in locating a particular spot on earth, we only have to do that is locating a particular point on the earth surface by checking where the latitudinal line and the longitudinal line intersect. Where they intersect is the point on the earth surface. Is understood? So if you can locate the latitude and longitude of where you are, whether you are in London, in UK, you can equally be located. Is that understood? So in summary, we are saying that the location of a point on the Earth's surface is gotten by finding the point of intersection of the longitude and the latitude. So without talking too much, I would like us to see one or two things before we move further. So location of point on the Earth's surface. Location of points or location of places. On the what? On the earth surface. All right, let's have this example. Assuming you have a data like this. Somebody is in a particular place on the earth surface and you happen to have something like this. Let's say point P. You are asked to locate point P, and point P is 50 degree north and what? 80 degree east. How do you go about that? How do you locate this point on the earth surface? Assuming this is where Mr. A is standing, possibly he missed his road, all right, and he is having a bearing, maybe as a naval officer, as an air force officer, or as an army officer. He is in a bush trying to locate his direction, and he wants to communicate to us of the particular place he is standing. So having known that his point is 50 degree north and 80 degree east, how do we locate this? This is how it goes. Now locate point P. Is understood? Locate point what? P. Now, let me say solution. Already you know that this is the axis of the earth, this is the north pole, this is the south pole, right? You are also aware that this is the west and this is what? The east, isn't it? Now, 50° north, the line associated with either the north pole or the south pole is a latitudinal line. The line associated with either the west or the east is longitudinal line. Now, latitude usually comes first. Latitude what? 50° north. Now, in the question, nobody will tell you that this is latitude, but they say 50° north. Where is north? This is north. That means the line runs from the west to what? To the east. Is understood? Now, this is latitude what? 50° north. Now, longitude 80° east. While the first data is latitude, second one is what? Longitude. 80° east. Where is east? This is east. This is west. So, I'll draw the line. Longitude 80° what? East. Now, where the latitude and the longitude meet is now our point what? Our point P. As simple as that. The point of intersection between the latitude and the longitude is your point, is your place. Is understood? That is your point. So this is just how to locate a point on the Earth's surface using the latitude and the longitudinal line. I'm understood. Alright, so if you have any question, you are free to use the comment section and attention will be granted to you. Okay?